Clinical guidelines are a valuable source of information for clinicians. Decision-making using the latest clinical data is critical to ensure that the most up-to-date advancements are applied at the point of care. They're an essential reference for physicians, nurses, and other healthcare professionals, but getting the most out of them also presents important challenges. It has been estimated that approximately 15 to 20 years pass from a new scientific discovery until it is incorporated into clinical practice. Clinical commissions spend a great deal of time analysing the latest evidence and deciding what to incorporate into clinical guidelines. The number of guides and their size is such that it's very difficult to know them all, much less memorise them and stay up to date. Trying to find the right information at the moment, when it is needed, can sometimes be complicated, since professionals have to identify which guideline can help them, where to find it, how to open it, and then search within it for the information needed. The guides are updated frequently, and new guidelines are constantly emerging, so keeping up with references is very challenging and consumes a lot of time and resources. Nowadays, everyone is talking about generative artificial intelligence and its capabilities, and they are increasing. Previously, generic algorithms have been used to incorporate information from clinical guidelines. However, these are often not updated, and we need to drive the latest decision-making to improve health outcomes. With Amazon Web Services, it's possible to incorporate these guidelines, making them available to our generative AI algorithms so that they can find relevant information in them and generate answers to questions reasoned and supported by the latest evidence in the clinical guidelines. In this environment, a set of guidelines has been incorporated and will be used as an example. There are many more examples that could be used. After analysing their content to index them semantically and using one of the multiple large language models available on Amazon Bedrock, the service is able to understand questions and write answers based on the information in the guidelines, setting up a simple interface which can interact as a chatbot to answer questions. Let's ask, what treatment do you recommend for a COPD patient with a 50% FEV1 who is already taking fluticasone and formoterol but is still getting worse? New guidelines can be easily added or the existing ones updated. The answers will always be based on the most recent information. With a growing and increasingly diverse range of generative AI algorithms available, Amazon Web Services can easily build more complete and complex solutions on the same basis, encompassing, for example, multimodal information. Everything we've seen working is in a completely private environment, so we're always in control of our information. Don't wait to try these services. Increase clinician productivity and improve health outcomes today.